Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track.
Brian was very professional and helpful.
Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're only one call away from serving you.